In this video, I'll share with you how to reduce the mental energy that is needed every day for those tiny decisions so that you can really use your energy for what matters most in your life. Hi, I'm Linnea. I help career women streamline what they do so that they can get more time for what really matters. If you're interested in my services, go to the description below. In today's society, there are so many decisions that we need to take every day. We have so many choices, which is good, but it also takes a lot of mental energy if we don't have strategies for taking those decisions, for minimizing the mental power that is needed to take the decisions. So from when we wake up, what should I have for breakfast? What should I wear? Should I go out with my friends this evening or stay at home because I feel kind of tired? There's so many choices, and if we don't have strategies on how to take decisions, it's just overwhelming. Strategy number one, decide ahead of time what you're gonna eat for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. Some people I know basically eat the same thing for lunch and dinner, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. I wouldn't advise that. Those are usually people that go to the gym, that do a lot of exercise. I would suggest that you have like a menu that you rotate, which is what I have for my family. So for every day of the week, I know ahead of time what we are going to eat in the evening, so I don't need to think about that when I get home from work. And also when I work from home, I know that I will have a salad for lunch. It will always be a salad, and I will put in whatever I have in the fridge. So no decision power really needed for that decision. Strategy number two is to set and to follow through on a morning routine. So if you know what you're supposed to do for the first hour of your day, that really leaves you feeling successful for the first hour of your day. Because if you follow through on what you have planned, that is really a way to start the day off right. A morning routine usually includes movement, some reflection time, and some learning time. This is what is advised by Robin Sharma in the 5 a.m. Club. Strategy number three, establish some guardrails for your day, especially for a working day. So at what time are you going to start working each day? At what time are you going to end working each day? Will you have one day each week when you do like admin stuff? Or maybe you will have a morning or a few hours set during the week when you will do specific activities. Which will be your creative day? Will you have like on Wednesday morning you will do creative work? Will you have some time during the week when we will read, or you will do something else? When you will run errands? Set those guardrails for your week, and that will really reduce your mental energy that you will need to take decisions on when you're supposed to do those things. Is to establish if-then rules. This is described in Atomic Habits by James Clear, which is a great book. I would like to propose it in a slightly different way because it's about taking decisions ahead of time. So, for example, on Wednesday evening, I know that I need to go to bed early because I have an important meeting on Thursday. If I get invited out for dinner or to go out with friends on Wednesday evening, I know that I will say no. If my kids get home earlier than expected, I will help them prepare their snack, but then I will go back to work. So this is a general if-then rule that will be valid for the coming year or so that I've decided. So I've decided ahead of time what is going to happen if that unexpected event will actually happen. Strategy number 5 is to minimize your options. So a minimalist wardrobe is an example of this. So some years ago, I decided I would not buy any brown shoes anymore. I would just go for the winter. I would only go for black shoes, which is really limiting my options. It's making it so much easier to match my clothes in the wardrobe. So it's limiting what I could actually put on. Another example of this is to not buy chocolate, for example. So I usually don't have chocolate at home because I really love chocolate, so I know I would eat it. So by limiting that option, I don't get into the decision fatigue or the decision making every night after dinner when I would like to have some chocolate, because there is none. Let me know in the comments below, how do you limit decision making in your daily life so that you reduce the mental power that is needed for those tiny decisions so that you can get more time and more energy for what really matters? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear that. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that and enable the notifications so that you get notified every time I release a new video on how to streamline your business and your life, how to manage your thoughts, and how to get happier overall. I send you lots of love. Have a wonderful day.